You already know the stats function for the GPS overlays from the app, but now you have that in Studio. But every time the same color and the same font was too boring to me, so I did a little bit digging and I tweaked it, like you see. This is the worst case, very colorful. How to do it? I show it in this video. Stay tuned. To show you what to edit where, I use Studio 2023 in version 4.6.5 on Windows. On Mac you can follow the steps to go to the same file paths which are relevant. So we need a GPS enhanced video like I have here. I personally enable all panes to not switch the image. Then go to the stats function. Ignore the basic tab where I hope Insta will add different graphic styles. We use the advanced tab for the color styles, but we only create two profiles here. One, the My Special, is for the editing I will do, and the normal one is my reference point if I need to know which values are normal while editing the text file. Studio then creates a dashboard XML file, which you can reach by going to the settings, then select the log directory and go one level higher in the file path. And there you will find the dashboard XML, which you open in your favorite text editor. I use Ultra Edit, it's my favorite tool, so yeah, that's your choice. Here we can edit the font and the colors, nothing else. But that's a good start. So that's the font Insta provides. There's the different attributes for the colors. So on the track, one color is for the distance driven and the other color is for the distance not driven. So what font to choose? On Windows, go to the settings and call up the font page, which provides you with a preview of the font you want to use. So the easiest way is to look through there, select the font, remember the name like Rosewood Standard here, which I have used too, and just type it in this file like it stands there. I have that prepared and will copy these values over to the original file. And after that we have to restart Studio. Studio only loads these values if you restart it. Only loading the content files again doesn't have any effect, so you have to restart it. As you see on some elements I'm stayed with the default values like for track and for slope. So this is still the cyan and the white color that is used there. So the white color is for the text and the cyan is for the graphical elements. The only thing where this is different is the compass rows. There the cyan is the moving element and the white is a graphical element around. So now I load the file again and by that I start Studio, shorten this. And if you now go to the stats panel, go to the advanced and select the edited profile, you see Studio changes all the attributes. Like I said, unfortunately we can only edit font and colors, but it's a start to individualize your settings. And you see here also the slope and the compass rows is still on the default. If that change, so I added the values here. And that's a pretty handy tool in Ultra Edit to have the color picker and to just select the color and change the values and then select to enter. So, and that's it. So now again we have to restart Studio because otherwise we have not the values changed in the live preview. So now you see the colors have changed. So basically it's not that much that you can individualize in Studio. You can change the colors and the fonts, but you can make sure every element of the overlay has its own colors scheme and its own font. Just try it out. You can't do something wrong. If there's something in the values Studio don't like, it ignores. It goes back to defaults. If there is a font which Studio can't load or visualize, like the emoji style fonts, it just takes a default font. You still can use the slider for the transparency here to do an overall transparency for all elements, not individually. Yeah, but give it a try. And in case something goes totally wrong, just delete the old dashboard XML file and Studio creates a new one the next time you start it and create a new profile. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Just give it a try, have fun, and I'll see you next time.